Ever wondered if those shiny collagen supplements flooding your feed actually do anything, or just lighten your wallet? That's exactly what made me test the micro-ingredients multi-collagen pills everyone's buzzing about in 2025. Promising stronger hair, glowing skin, flexible joints, and smoother nails all in one capsule. It sounds like a dream in a bottle. But when you look closer, things get less glossy. The company claims you get 5 types of collagen, types I, 2, 3, V, and X, sourced from bovine, marine, chicken, and eggshell membranes. Sounds advanced, right? Except experts point out that once collagen is digested, it's just amino acids. Your body doesn't necessarily rebuild them into firmer skin or stronger joints the way the ads suggest. Some users online report bloating, nausea, or mild stomach upset, and others mention that the large capsules are hard to swallow. Then there's the price. What looks affordable at first turns out less appealing when you realize how many capsules are required daily for any noticeable effect. I checked user feedback, and it's split down the middle. Some swear by it, claiming smoother skin or shinier hair after a few weeks, while others saw zero difference even after finishing the whole bottle. Add in the allergy red flags: fish, eggs, and bovine sources. And it's clear this supplement isn't for everyone. The one good sign is that Micro-Ingredients claims third-party lab testing, though details about those reports aren't always transparent. So is it worth the hype? It's not a scam, but it's not a miracle either. It sits in that gray zone where marketing meets mixed results. If you're already eating protein-rich foods or using a balanced skincare routine, these pills might not transform much. Curious, maybe? Essential? Probably not.